Ako po, I've been a prosecutor for the most of the time in my life, and becoming the mayor for 22 years, one time a congressman and one time vice mayor to my daughter. It's been a public service to be all the time. I'd like to downplay yung mga extra adulation, glorification. It does not, nakukornihan po ako at kung ipakita mo, I try to avoid. Kasi tumitindig yung balahibo ko. Nakukornihan ako. So that's why I just don't want it. Extra, hindi ko type yan. Hindi ko type. Kayong mga media sa Davao, alam niyo yan. Mas mabuti pa para sa akin that nobody would, well anyway, it's impossible now, but noon, I would have preferred that nobody pays attention to my presence in the place. I hate it. Yung lahat halos magbaw-baw. Na mas nakukurnihan ako para bang, itong gago na to. Do not do that because this is a democracy. This is not a royalty. Nobody occupies a special place. Even if I'm your president, I would just consider me equal to you in terms of our rights and responsibilities under this republic. There's the Constitution. We are bound by it. We obey the laws. But there are things in this government which I had to do because I was the only one who could do it for us. And maybe it's a presidency. It's not really a crisis, but it's an epidemic actually. Almost a pandemic sa Philippines. It's universal worry among local law enforcement and the law enforcement itself. And I was really happy to see last night that the PDEA came up with several raids to produce shabu. Ang tagal na niyan. I'd like to congratulate the PDEA head, si Kakdak, for the longest time that I saw PDEA do something about the drug crisis. I will control drugs. I will control crime. And I repeat, the predicate of it all of my statement is, I'm willing to lose the presidency, my life or honor. This is what I promise the people. I intend to do it. Yung wala namang if you have no time, if you really are doing nothing except to criticize, you might as well just write and stop messing up with me because I have this sacred promise to save the next generation from the evil of drugs. Yan ang priority ko. We work simultaneously with the economic managers of this country. I hope Sonny Dominguez would, he has had so many misgivings in the past about my offer, but I hope he would reconsider and accept it. He's going to get the finance department.